Hi, it's Riz, Nicole, and Maggie from the RIZ team. We're here at our newest listing at 27 Berry Patch Lane in this desirable neighborhood of Cambridge.
This 4-bedroom, fully finished home is situated on a quiet court and offers many features you're gonna love.
So why don't we go inside and take a closer look?
The main floor of this home features newly installed hand-scraped hardwood in the living and dining rooms, walk through with ceramic tiles into the kitchen, dinette area overlooking the main family room. Slider doors lead you through to a huge backyard as well as a beautiful deck.
The second floor offers an open office loft, 4 spacious bedrooms, including a master bedroom with beautiful palladium windows, walk-in closet, and 5-piece ensuite bathroom, including jacuzzi tub.
The lower level features a rec room and has a big enough space for a billiards table and plenty of space for a family TV room. It also has a workshop. Thanks so much for joining us today, guys. We hope you enjoyed the tour.
To book a private showing for this or any one of our other listings, be sure to contact the RIZ team.
Thanks again for joining us. On behalf of Nicole and Maggie and myself, remember, don't put it on hold. Call the RIZ team to get it sold.